How to deposit a check online with Regions Bank via website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to deposit a check without visiting a branch, well here is how to do it online with Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in with your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you can go to the deposits or deposit a check in the menu and there you simply have to select the account you want to deposit into and then enter the check amount. And with that, you simply have to follow the prompts to upload images of front and back of your check and make sure it's endorsed. And with that, at last you have to review the deposit details and check or click submit to complete the transactions, and with that you will receive a confirmation on screen and the funds will be processed according to the region's schedule. And that's it. That's how you can deposit a check online with Regions Bank via website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.